The route to become a hacker. The route to becoming a hacker is not an easy one. Some newbies to this field think that all need is some magic, hacking tool, and you can simply hack into any computer. That's far from the truth. Unlike other IT professions, a great hacker needs to understand most of the information technology disciplines including networking, databases, operating systems, web serving, scripting, cryptography, etc. In addition, the hacker needs to have functional knowledge of multiple operating systems including Linux, Mac OS and Windows. This may take years of experience and/or study. Then, after learning how these various information technology systems work, you then need to focus on how to break them. This may require additional training and experience. Think outside the box. Hacking is not like other areas of IT. In most IT disciplines, you learn that if you do this, and then that, the system does what you want. That is not usually the case with hacking. Good hackers have to think outside the box or tablet. You have to think about how you can make a system work in ways it was not designed to work. We need to understand intimately how systems work, so that we can make them operate in ways that their developers never intended. Persistence. It's also important to note that not every hack works every time. Depending upon the circumstances, a hack might work now and then not work a short time later. We need to then figure what changed and then reattempt the hack in a different way. In addition, a hack might work once and then never work again. For instance, if you are trying to remote code execution, this usually requires a buffer overflow. When the buffer is overflowed, it sometimes can become damaged and will not work properly again. In that case, you only get one shot to hack the system. Creative. Hackers must also be creative. Skills that you will need. Programming. This is the most important. Learn how to solve problems and automate tasks. Operating systems. Learn not only how to use them, but how they work, how and where it stores important information, how to access its APIs. Networking. Know how networks works, not only the concepts, but the inner workings too, how each type of packet is formed and the tricks you can do manipulating its bits. And learn how to use this knowledge with some programming language. Website hacking. There are lots of techniques to do this, just Google OWASP. This 4 are the main in my opinion. You can be an average to good hacker with this. To be a ninja you'll need more. Cryptography. Deep knowledge, how to use, how to implement common ciphers and how to break them. By common ciphers I mean ciphers used today, like RSA, not Caesar's ciphers and others like this. Reverse engineering and debugging. How to debug or disassemble and analyze software to see what and how a software processes its information and how to extract this information from memory at runtime. Anti-forensics. Where incriminating information is stored and how to safely erase them. Exploit writing. You need to know debugging and computer memory to do this.